Welcome to your German school. In your German school, we do the preparation from the basic level A1 to the advanced level. Since your German school is located in Germany, we are always up to date with our literature in the course so that you can benefit from it as much as possible. Your German school is based on the standard classroom format. It is advisable that you take your notebooks with you and take notes during the lesson. This will help you to memorize the content of the lesson during the lesson, and you will advance in the German language as quickly as possible. So let's start today's lesson. In German language, we call alphabet as das Alphabet. Das Alphabet. And over here in black writing, you will find all the alphabets that we use in the German language. And in the red writing, the way it is pronounced is mentioned. So we start with all the alphabets and you try to say loud with me. A, A. B is said as B, B. C as say, just like S-A-Y, say in English, say. D is said as day, day. E as A, A. F, F. And G is pronounced as gay in German, gay. H as ha, ha. I is said as E, E. And J as yacht, Y-O-T, yacht, yacht. K as ka, ka. L, L. M, M. N, N. O, O. P as pay, just like P-A-Y, pay, pay. Q, Q. R, R. S, S. T is said as te, T-E-Y, te. U as u, u. V, V. You see, we do not pronounce V as V, but as F in German, F-O-W, V, V. And W is pronounced as V, like W-A-Y, V. X as X, I-K-S, X. Y as Y, Y. Z as set, set. And additionally, there are 4 more letters that we use in German language, and you can see there are 2 dots over them. And these 2 dots are basically called umlaut. And this will change the pronunciation from the word a to air, air. And similarly for O, it will change the pronunciation from O to Ö, Ö. And for U, it will change to U, U. And then the beta sign is called S set, pronounced as double S. So as you can see, there are 4 additional letters. And from them, the first 3, they have 2 dots. And these 2 dots are called umlaut, umlaut in German. They change the pronunciation of the letter. For example, the A is converted to A, A. This is just similar as we call in English Mac or pack. And for the German examples, I have taken 2 examples over here. Apples are called Apfel, Apfel in German. And if I remove the 2 dots from the surface, then it will be like Apfel, Apfel. it will be singular apple. So for the plural, I put the two dots and I say apfel, apfel. Similarly, for beer, we say beer, beer. And when you remove the two dots, then it will be converted to bar, bar. So with the two dots or umlaut, you call it as bear, bear. So now we move on to the next letter, that is U. And U with two dots will be U, U. And over here you will see three examples in German. The first one, in English we call it on or above. So it is über, über. When you remove the two dots, it will be converted to Uber. So that is the wrong pronunciation. So with the two dots, with the umlaut, it is the right pronunciation is Uber, Uber. The door is called as Tür, Tür. And similarly, the digit 5 is called as fünf, fünf. When you remove the umlaut, it will be fünf. So that is the wrong pronunciation. So you say fünf, fünf. Now we move on to the next letter, that is O umlaut. And it is called as Ö. So for the word oil in English, we say it as Öl, Öl. So once you remove the umlaut, it will be converted to all. So that doesn't make any sense in German language. So you have to use the word with the umlaut. So that will be called Öl, Öl. And similarly, for spoon, we call in German language it as Löffel, Löffel. When you remove the umlaut, it will be converted to Löffel. That is the wrong pronunciation. So you have to always have the umlaut with the O. So that will be, the right pronunciation will be Löffel, Löffel. The last letter is beta, or we call it as S set. So it gives you the sound of double S. Just like as in English, we call less, less. And in German, we use it like for the word foot. In English, the German translation is Fuß, Fuß. And for white, the German translation is weiß, weiß. So now we do the revision of the alphabets, their pronunciation. Please repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Ä, Ö, Ü, Z. Hopefully you liked today's lesson. If it was helpful for you, please do share it with your family and friends and like the video. For future updates, press the bell icon. See you in the next lesson. Take care.